Hi there, I'm going to show you a really great exercise called the crossover toe touch. Okay, so this exercise is going to help improve your posture, lower body strength, flexibility and mobility through your hips and also your hamstrings. Okay, so if you do have a bit of tightness in your lower back or if your hamstrings don't allow you to do the full exercise, I'm going to show you how to do an easier version of it. And also too, if it's a little bit easy for you, you can grab a couple of really light dumbbells, 1-2 kilograms maximum. Okay, so here we go. You're going to stand feet shoulder width apart, soft knees, and what I mean by soft knees is that you don't want your knees locked out like so. Just a very slight bend in them, okay? So therefore it's your muscles that are supporting your body weight as opposed to your joints. So soft knees, twisting over, pivoting over from your hips like so. So the exercise is, I'm going to come down to my left foot with my right hand, okay? So that is if you've got quite good mobility. If you don't, you've got tightness or you just do not have, say, the balance or your posture is just not going to allow it, you can just come down to the inside of your knee like this, okay? So you want to keep our back as straight as possible. So if we come down to the top of our toes like so, or even if you only get halfway down the shin, that's absolutely fine. And we're gonna, once we've touched our toe like so, we're gonna pivot and twist around to the other side. You might feel a few pops in your lower back, and if you do, as long as it's not causing any pain at all, it's completely fine. So as we come up ever so slightly, we're gonna pivot around and twist to the other side. Like I said, if you did want to use a couple of light weights, it's quite a challenging exercise as it is. But if you did want the extra challenge, go for it. Just as long as you're not overexerting yourself or causing any pain. Okay, cool. So that's a crossover knee touch or feet touch, whichever one you're doing. Thank you.